Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm still in Hawaii, as you can tell, in my hotel here on Oahu. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. But I wanted to quickly film this unboxing for you guys because I think it's special to kind of do these from Hawaii. I think it's super fun. So I wanted to quickly share with you guys what I picked up from Cartier here in Hawaii. So if you want to see what I picked up and the little story behind it, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to a little bit of reselling and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for checking out yet another video. Alright guys, so sorry for any background noise you may hear. Of course there's air conditioning, there's also something flying over us, an airplane or helicopter, but you know, that's what happens when you're filming remotely like this, so bear with that. But I do have something beautiful to share with you guys from Cartier, and I'm so excited about this piece. I've had my eye on this for a while, and I figured it was time to splurge on this now, just because I do save a little bit of tax here. So as I talked about in my other previous unboxing videos from Hawaii, including the one I just posted from Louis Vuitton, check that out. I will link it down below. I will also link down below a Hawaii vlog, so hopefully you'll be able to as well be able to see what I did on the trip. It was super, super fun. Of course, we love coming here, and as I talk about in the video many times, I'm originally from here, so it's super special to come back. So definitely check those videos out. But in those, I do mention that there is a little bit of a Hawaii discount at certain luxury retailers. So as you heard in my Louis Vuitton video, at least in terms of a lot of their goods, you can save close to 10% off of retail prices. And then the tax here is about, I believe, 4.71 or so percent. And that's a lot lower than in California, where I live currently, where it's about 9.1 something percent. So you can save a little bit of tax as well. At Cartier, unfortunately, there is no Hawaii discount, so you do pay retail at Cartier. But I am able to save that 4.5% on tax, which I am happy about. And for me, at least, for an item that I probably would purchase anyway on the mainland, it makes sense to purchase here. Plus, this item is pretty small, as you'll see, so it's so easy to bring back to the mainland. All right, enough chit chat. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it for y'all to show you what I got. It comes in this beautiful red bag, as usual. And I have a couple of the little pieces here. So this is my receipt. And again, I did pay retail. I will share with you the price point in case you're curious. And then I have the certificate of authenticity, which is always nice with these Cartier pieces. And it has the certificate here, and it's stamped and tells you the dates the date that you picked it up and everything about it. So definitely need to save these pieces. And then it also came with a little pouch, which I will show you. You can see it's a small pouch. You can probably guess what this is. A nice travel pouch. I have yet to use any of these travel pouches because I just wear my jewelry all the time, as you all probably know, but it's nice to have that. All right, so here's the box. And my sales associate did offer, of course, to wrap it, and she was going to do that. But I actually, full disclaimer, wore this piece out of the store. I said, I'm just going to wear it. You don't need to wrap it and kind of waste your time and all the packaging, honestly, because I'm probably not going to keep all of that anyway. So I did not have her wrap it. I also felt a little guilty because she offered to clean my other pieces as well, which took a while. And they're filthy. I know they are, because I rarely, in fact, never clean it. The only times that I clean my Cartier jewelry really is when I buy a new piece, because they clean it for you in the boutique. So that's what happened again this time. She offered to clean my jewelry, so I said, of course, yes. So I was just thankful for that, and I didn't want to take more of her time to wrap this. So, of course, quickly I have my Justin Clue ring, I have my Justin Clue bracelet in the original sizes, and then I have my two love bracelets, which I've talked about many times before. So these are all the Cartier pieces I currently wear on a day-to-day basis. So they do get filthy, especially on vacation like we're on now. So I was just thankful they clean them. And as you can probably see, the cleaning, I think it's just a basic cleaning. It's definitely not the one where they take off the scratches at all. But they can quickly clean them up for you in the store. And I mean, look, it's a lot shinier. So I'm always thankful for that. I mean, these look really pretty. You can still see the scratches that I had before, of course. Those don't get buffed off with this kind of cleaning. But yeah, it's really, really shiny now. So I'm super happy about that. They are able, of course, you know, to do a more a formal kind of scratch removal type of cleaning, but that does wear away the gold some, so you can't do it too many times in the lifetime of the piece. So I have not done that cleaning because I'm afraid to, but this is just the basic kind of wash cleaning, I think. So yeah, super happy about that service. Here's what I got. You can probably tell what it is. And it opens on the bottom here. So here's the piece I picked up. And as you'll see, it's a beautiful little cute love ring. So I believe this is called the Love Wedding Band because the actual love ring is thicker than this. I want to say maybe even double the thickness, although I don't know the exact sizes off the top of my head. But this is the beautiful little wedding band ring. So let me show you up close if you want to see some details. But you can see it's a typical love design. And there may be some smudges on it because I did wear it a little bit yesterday. But it's just a true wedding band style, just one piece of gold. It's 18 karat gold. And as you may be able to tell, I went for the rose gold. So rose and yellow gold at Cartier, as everyone says, it's a little hard to tell the difference between, especially with time, the rose does look more like yellow. And I've talked about this comparison in a previous video, which I'll link, but here is the difference. So this is the rose one, and this is the yellow one. So it's pretty subtle difference, but I wanted to go for the rose here just to tie in that rose color bracelet because all my other pieces here are yellow. So I went for the rose. I also went for the thin version because I didn't want anything too bulky on my fingers because this is a pretty big statement, I think, on a day-to-day basis, at least for me. So I don't want a whole lot of statement rings either. It's kind of a lot. So admittedly, I think a lot of people do think what I currently have on is a lot. I wouldn't add anything else. People, like for instance, my husband, say, you don't need any more. This is a lot already. I get it. I think it is a lot, but you know, what can I do? I love this stuff, so I love wearing them, and I wear it every day. I mean, my gold jewelry pieces, I tend to wear every single day, as you all know. So I feel like I do get really great usage and enjoyment out of these pieces. But that's why I went for the dainty one. Plus in the future, hey, I may try to stack this with some other rings I have my eye on, which I will update you on future videos. So anyway, I decided to go for this style. The finger to wear it on, I wanted to go for this middle finger on my right hand because, again, I don't want to stack tons of rings on this hand, but I think maybe just rings on my middle finger will be good. And the other fingers, of course, I will leave without rings. So I wanted to wear it like this. So yeah, it's pretty dainty, as you can see. It's not very noticeable. It kind of blends in with the skin, especially in the rose version, but it's super shiny and not scratched up yet. So it's just nice to have a brand new piece. This will scratch, of course, like all 18 karat gold. I know that. I obviously know that. Scratched. But, you know, I'm fine with that. It just is nice to have a shiny piece now and again, though. This is what it looks like on. I think it's super comfortable, I will say. It's definitely not as weighty as the Just Done Clue ring that I have here. So, of course, the price points are quite different. This is a lot more pricey, but this you can feel the weight of. This one is actually pretty thin and dainty. In fact, you know, I worry about it maybe warping a little sometimes in the future because of how, honestly, it's a little bit thin. But, you know, I think I will give it a try. I just love the daintiness of it, and I may stack, again, something on that, which will be really fun. So this is the look on this hand. I admit it's pretty much for a lot of folks, but for me at least, I don't know, I think it kind of works. So I will let you know the price point in case you're curious. So currently, and this is, let's see, August of 2022, it retails for $1,170. So that's a lot for a little ring, but, you know, reasonable, I think, in terms of Cartier types of pricing. And again, there is no Hawaii discount on that, but I did save on tax a pretty decent amount. So for me, at least, it was a worthwhile pickup. And going forward in the future, I will be sure to do comparison videos between my rings, also show you wear and tear, kind of what I think about it going forward. But so far, I'm really, really loving this little small, dainty love band ring. All right, guys, so there you have it. I know this is a very quick video, but sometimes it's nice just to get to the point, see the unboxing, and move on. So I hope I was able to accommodate that. If you have any questions about my pieces from Cartier, definitely leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye from Hawaii.